Hey everybody, let's get some math work done. Today, you have an assignment, and this assignment is this assignment. That one, right there. More arrays, page 1 of 2. 1 is listed and saved as a PDF attached to the assignment post as NC More Arrays 166. The other one is NC More Arrays 167. Both pages are due on Monday. You've got plenty of time. Don't let that stop you from getting it done now and sending it to me just as soon as you can. You can print it off and send it to me. You can write it out and send it to me. You can create a Google document and send it to me, but you've got to get it to me by Monday. Let's look at how we do these. So for this one, let's look at those directions. It says for each pair of arrays below, mark the array to show the number you started with, the dividend, the number you divided by, the divisor, and the answer, the quotient. Here's a little trick. The dividend is typically the largest number and the first number listed. The divisor is the second number and the quotient is the answer. Write an equation to represent the problem. Fill in the bubble to show whether you were trying to find the number in each group or the number of groups. We have some examples right here. Steve and 36 cookies, but we're not going to do that one because if we did that one, then I would be doing your work for you. Instead, we're going to do something I made up. Yeah. All right, we're going to do these examples, and we have one written out for you right here. I even hand wrote these. Yeah. Mario collected 48 coins as he ran through 8 levels. If he collected the same amount in each level, how many did he collect in each level? So, Mario collected the same amount of coins in each level. How many coins did he collect? So on this side, we have it written out as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 on that side. So we need an equation. Now, it is an array. So one of our equations would typically be 6 times 8 equals 48, but unfortunately in this particular situation, the question is a division equation. So we're looking for a division equation on this one. So we've got 48 coins. That is our first number listed, and our largest number, the number you started with, that's the dividend. So we have 48 divided by, I could say 6, but that would be incorrect because I got to look at the question as he ran through 8 levels. 48 divided by 8 equals the number we don't have listed here, but we do have listed here is the number 6 because 6 times 8 is 48, so 48 divided by 8 equals 6. We now need to write an equation that represents this problem. We did that. We need to fill in the bubbles, to show if this answer tells if this is splitting items up into each group or if it's asking for how many groups. So let's look at the question again. Mario collected 48 coins as he ran through 8 levels. If he collected the same amount in each level, how many did he collect in each level? Each level in this particular situation is like a group. So it's not, is it how many in each group or how many groups? How many did he collect in each level, that is in each group? So we were looking for how many in each group. I gave an equation, I labeled my array, I filled in the bubble, and I underlined some important information in our equation. Well, no, in our word problem. You should do those as you do these yourselves. Hey, we've got another one. This one's not about Mario. This one's about Luigi. We're going to use a green pen for this one because, it's Luigi. All right, so Luigi trapped 35 ghosts. If each trap holds 5 ghosts, how many traps will Luigi need? We've got right over here, we've got an array that goes along with it. Let's do that same process of doing our length and width on this one. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 on this side. What is 5 times 7? Well, 5 times 7 is 35. 35 ghosts. We need an equation for this one. Our equation should start with our dividend. 35, the largest number. That's how many we have. So we have 35 ghosts. We're going to split those ghosts up into 5. We're going to split them up into groups of 5, because that's how many traps we have. 35 divided by 5. How many ghosts can fit in each trap? Well, obviously it's 7. How many in each group, or how many groups? We got to look back at the question again to really know the answer for that one. So, Luigi trapped 35 ghosts. If each trap being the groups here, if each group holds 5, how many groups will Luigi need? How many groups will Luigi need? We took the word traps and we changed it to groups, because that's really what we're doing. We're grouping them into traps. So, for this first one, we looked at an equation. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. We had to look at the word problem to know that that was asking for how many in each group. Down here, we had our equation, 35 divided by 5 equals 7. We had to look in the word problem to know that we were looking for how many groups. You've got to make sure you manage all of those parts. It's really not that difficult, and it astounds me that I'm giving you until Monday to get this handed in. We're going to be strict on it. It's going to be Monday, 9 a.m., ladies and gentlemen. Let's try not to be late on that one. You have one page. It's got 2 to practice. Then you've got another page, which has got another 2 to practice. And then you're done with the assignment, ladies and gentlemen. I feel confident that you should have no problem managing this. And if you do, that's okay. It's okay to find some difficulties. It's not okay not to ask for help. So if you find yourself struggling, send me an email, send me a message. We'll meet, we'll figure it out, and everything will be hunky-dory there, folks. You have a wonderful afternoon. I'll see you next time.